you guys, and welcome back to another video with DIYs by Carolina. So in today's video, in part 3 of the outdoor series, I am going to be painting the remaining front yard fences, and I'm also going to be painting my shutters the Tricorn black color, which is the exact same color that I painted my front door. So super excited about that. Can't wait to get started and finished. That's the thing, let me get finished with it, okay? So yeah, let's go ahead and jump into this video. All right, y'all, so here's another look at the fences. And remember in last week's video, I pretty much trimmed out all the hedges. So I'm just going to be pressure washing this. And I'm also going to be pressure washing the pickets. Y'all look at these leaves. Ugh, gosh. Man, oh man, am I gonna have my work cut out for me. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started with that portion of the video, just pressure washing it. So I can go ahead and move on to actually painting my shutters. Okay, you guys, so I am finally done pressure washing the fences, and so now I'm going to go ahead and get started on the shutters because my goal is to try to get both of those done in one day. So I've already applied the pool chlorine solution to the shutters, and I just kind of let that set for about 5 or 7 minutes. And so now I'm just going over the shutters with the pressure washer. And so once those shutters dry, I'll remove them and then I'll start the painting process. After I'm done cleaning the shutters, I'll go back and show you guys what the fencing is looking like after I got done pressure washing them. You guys, so as you can see, the shutters have been washed. The fence, let's take a look at what the fencing is currently looking like. Getting it done, y'all. I'm getting it done. So excited. So let's take a look. Oh my goodness, look behind me, you guys. Done and done. Whew, my goodness. So I did this in one shot. Looks very, very good. All right, so the only thing left to do now is to give these boards a chance to dry out before applying the stain. So yeah, look at that. Everything looks phenomenal. Yeah, so I think in the meantime what I'm going to do is just kind of clean up the yard because y'all see all these leaves? Oh my Lord. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of, you know, clean up the front yard, make everything look nice and tidy, because right now the front yard is a mess. Look here, you guys, look at this. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. So yeah, I have a lot of just general yard work to do. You guys, so I'm about to get started with removing the shutters from the windows in the front of my house so I can go ahead and get them ready to be painted. So let's go. So right quickly, you guys, I want to show you how I'm removing the screws from these shutters. So basically, my shutters have 3 screws. There's one here and one in the middle, and then there's one at the very top of the shutter. So all I'm basically doing is just unscrewing those screws and the shutters come off easily. So just that simple. Guys, so as you can see, I've already removed all the shutters. So now it's time to get started with painting, and I am going to be using my paint sprayer in this project. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so here's a look at the paints I'm using. It's the semi-gloss exterior paint by Valspar, and this is actually in the color Tricorn Black. So yeah, I got this from Lowe's, and I'll have this information linked in the description. Alright, so here's a quick look at what the shutters are looking like. So the one on your left is actually the green, so that's before I actually painted it, and the one to the right is what it looks like after it's been painted. So yeah, look at that. Fantastic. All right, so this is the last one that I have remaining. I've already painted 7 shutters, so let me go ahead and finish up with this one. Y'all, it is such a glorious day, so beautiful. The weather is perfect for staining the fences. So that's what I'm going to be doing today, is just getting the front yard fences finished up, wrapped up, completed, so we can move on to something else. So this time around, I think I'm gonna time myself. I wanna see exactly how long it takes me to stain the entire fences. So right now, the time is currently 12:45 p.m. So let's see how quickly I can get this job done. All right, let's do a time check. Let's see what time it is now. So far, I've done all of this portion here. I do have to do that little corner there. I'm gonna have to use a smaller roller for that. But for the most part, this entire area here is completed. So now I'm about to get started on the pickets. So that's what we're gonna do now, is finish up the pickets and we should be finished. So yeah, let's see. So right quickly, I want to show you guys how I'm getting in between the fence right here. Because even after you paint the front of the fence, this is very visible, and maybe it's just me, but I like to make sure that this is actually stained, or as well. So I want to show you guys how I actually get in between the fences. And I had to do the same thing on my deck space as well whenever I stained the deck area. And so this is where my little sprayer comes in super handy. So let me show you guys here what it looks like whenever I spray in between it. So that makes a huge difference when you spray in between it as well. So I just want to show you guys that. And I'll be sure and link the sprayer in the description as well, in case if this is something you may want to purchase. All right, y'all, so your girl is exhausted, okay? I finished doing everything. I've stained all the fences, and I just wanted to share one additional thing with you guys that I wanted to do in this video, but I'm not going to get a chance to get around to it. So I'm probably going to do this in the next video. So all around the hedges, all around the fence, you'll see that I have these plants sitting out. So the plan was to plant this and everything today, but I'm tired. I'm super duper exhausted, and the ground is super, super hard, which means that I'll catch you know what, trying to dig a hole. But anyway, I just want to share this with you guys. These are sun-loving hedges, which is perfect because this area gets nothing but full sun. So I do want to do a full landscaping job over here, not just with these hedges, but with like the brick edging, all of that. But I'm probably going to wait and do that in the spring because, y'all, the leaves are just ridiculous, okay? So I don't want to have to be raking up leaves, cleaning up flower beds. I have enough flower beds to clean out. I don't need additional ones by the fence. So this will be something I'll do in the spring. I'll do a full flower bed, all that good stuff with additional flowers. But for right now, the only thing I'm going to do in the next video, not in this video, is I'm just going to plant these hedges, which looks fantastic. So right quickly, I just want to show you guys what these hedges are looking like. I think that's going to look so good. Oh my gosh, I love how that looks. So just in case if you guys are wondering what kind of hedges these are, let me show you on here. So these are the golden, y'all, you know I can't pronounce that word, but whatever that is. And like I said, they're full sun, which is perfect. And y'all have to excuse my hands, they look pretty rough. But anyway, yeah, so I'm going to be planting 5 of these, and I'm gonna kind of walk back a little bit so you can see how they'll look. And like I mentioned before, I am going to do a full landscaping job over here. I just don't want to do it this fall because see what I have to deal with when the leaves fall. And see, I've already cleaned up the yard, so that's why everything looks nice and neat except for this flower bed. And I don't want to have to worry about cleaning out flower beds all alongside the fence. That's just too much work. So that'll be something I'll do in the spring. So let's go ahead and take a look at what the other side of the fence is looking like. And you know what? I think I'm gonna do it from this angle. So come walk with me, you guys. Let's take a look at the other side of the fence. Whew, guys. It was an amazing day. The weather was perfect. And believe it or not, I stained this fence today. Today is Sunday, and I literally stained this side of the fence today. Guys, don't that look amazing already? Just walking up towards it is just, oh my God. I love it. You guys, look at that. And of course, you know, I had to rake up the leaves, you know, do a grand reveal. Yeah, so I raked up all the leaves and everything. So it'll be nice and clean, but y'all, doesn't that look phenomenal? So somebody in the comments mentioned about getting the little solar caps to put on top of the post. I completely agree. So that's something I'll probably show in the next video. But yeah, I'm really loving this. And I was even contemplating putting those same hedges right here and just removing these because these never really bloom or anything. So I might still do that, you guys. But yeah, everything looks so fantastic. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna walk off to the head of the road and just kind of show you guys the entire thing. Oh my gosh. It looks amazing, you guys. Oh, I am so in love with this stain. All right, y'all, so here's what the shutters look like after I've painted everything black. I absolutely love the way this looks. You guys, so I just want to say thank you so much for tuning in to today's video. If you found this video interesting, if you enjoyed the content, please don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. That would really help out my channel. And if you are new to this channel, welcome. My name is Carolina, and if this is the type of content that you find interesting, I would love to have you join my family of subscribers. And as always, to my existing subscribers, welcome back, you guys, and I will see you all in part 4 of the outdoor series. And until then, bye now.